Beam Wallet Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the wallet and additional resources provided in the description below. In this video, I'll give you a detailed yet concise review of the Beam Wallet, covering its features, strengths, weaknesses, and who it's best suited for. Let's get started. Beam Wallet is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet built to support the Beam blockchain and its Mimblewimble protocol. Its core feature is privacy, enabling confidential transactions where sender, receiver, and transaction amounts are fully shielded. The wallet supports Beam's privacy coins and includes built-in features like atomic swaps, making it easy to exchange Beam with other cryptocurrencies directly from the wallet. One of the wallet's standout features is its advanced security. Beam Wallet is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you retain full control of your private keys. Additionally, it offers wallet encryption, PIN protection, and secure backups, ensuring your funds stay safe. Beam also supports features like offline transactions for enhanced privacy and functionality. The user interface is sleek and intuitive, making it accessible for both beginners and advanced users. For those looking to engage with DeFi, Beam Wallet includes integration with the Beam Confidential DeFi ecosystem, allowing users to interact with Beam-based dApps and privacy-focused financial services. However, Beam Wallet does have some drawbacks. It is limited to the Beam ecosystem, so if you're looking for a wallet with broad multi-chain support, this isn't the best choice. Additionally, while it's great for privacy-focused users, the wallet's niche use case means it's less suitable for those seeking a general-purpose crypto wallet. Who is Beam Wallet for? It's perfect for privacy-conscious individuals who prioritize anonymity and secure transactions. It's also an excellent choice for those already invested in or planning to use the Beam blockchain and its DeFi applications. If privacy and control are your top priorities, Beam Wallet stands out as one of the best tools in the space. That wraps up our review of Beam Wallet. Straightforward, detailed, and to the point. If you're ready to try it or learn more, check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth crypto reviews.